Hey guys, welcome back to Tamara Recipes. Now I have some freshly cut callaloo. Now if you don't have the fresh callaloo, you could always go ahead and use the one in the can. I have some fresh seasoning here. I have some carrot, I have scotch bonnet pepper to my taste, scallion, sweet pepper, pimento seed, garlic, tomato, fresh thyme, and onion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some coconut oil into the pot. Now you want to ensure that your oil is hot but not hot where it's gonna burn your seasoning. Afterwards, I'm gonna transfer all of my fresh seasonings into the pot. I'm gonna give them a nice little toss just to saute it and bring out all the flavors. After doing so, for about 2 minutes, I am going to add my callaloo. Now, I've never used the canned callaloo before, so I can't really say how it is prepared. But if you have experience with it, then you can go ahead and make it, of course, with your canned callaloo. But for me, fresh callaloo I'm used to, so I just soak mine in some water with some salt in case there's an insect or so. You know, it will kill the insects. Then I wash it nicely, then I strip them, of course, remove the outer part, and then I rinse it off again, and then I cut them up. Now I'll have to do a separate video on how to show you how to prepare your fresh callaloo. So I saute my seasonings nicely, and then I'm going to add my callaloo. After adding the callaloo, I'm just gonna give it a mix just to mix all that season with the fresh callaloo. And then I'm gonna flavor the callaloo, alright, because we want our food to have flavor. Alright guys, so if you see me add an ingredient that you don't like, then remember your kitchen, so you just add whatever you want to add. Alright, so since I'm my kitchen, I add what I like, so you do likewise. Now I'm gonna add some powdered seasoning. So I'm gonna go in with some black pepper, of course, because me love black pepper. Not like I'm overdoing it, but me love look at black pepper in my food sometimes. Now I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Sometimes I use just the salt, but today guys, I'm gonna see if I add a little all-purpose seasoning. So I went in with the brand of choice. Alright, so at this point you could add some salt, or if you don't want to add the grace all-purpose seasoning, then go ahead and add the Maggi or whichever one. Alright, and I'm not gonna add any salt to the recipe, even though I'm not add enough all-purpose seasoning. I add salted butter. Now if you had salt, be mindful of the salted butter. Alright, you could always use unsalted butter or margarine, but that's the one I had, so I just use less seasoning because I don't want my callaloo to be salty. Alright, so let's give it a nice little mix. And remember, for this recipe guys, we're going to add some okra, but I'm not ready to add my okra yet. Alright, so after my callaloo go down a little bit more, because I want my okra to be crunchy, because I love crunchy okra. So I allow my callaloo to partially cook, and then I add my okras. Now guys, at some point in the video, I remember that I did not flavor my okra. So you're going to see where I stop and I add some seasoning to my okra. Alright, you want your okra to cook with flavor. Alright guys, so that's the reason for me adding the all-purpose seasoning on top of my okras. Alright, so I use 2 okra for the recipe. Now you can use more okra if you like. Alright, but this amount is perfect for me because I'm gonna steam a whole lot of callaloo. I'm just steaming a bundle of callaloo, which has maybe about 6 to 8 stalk. Alright, and you know, say callaloo shrink, so no matter the amount of callaloo you put in the pot, that's the amount you're going to get in your plate. Right? So I'm gonna give this maybe about 2 or 3 more minutes, kind of okra cook fast. So I'm gonna cover it, make it steam a little bit, and then I put out the flame. So at this point guys, I come back and my callaloo and okra is all done. Now you can have this with anything that you like. You can use some bammies with it, some fried dumpling, some boiled dumpling, you know, some hard boiled food, any ground provision or carbohydrate of your choice. And if you want to eat it like this alone, no judge. Alright, so thank you for watching and stay blessed.